This is the boat this morning. Super snowy. We're headed to Barbados for some sun and to get our mind off things. This episode was meant to be about exploring the depths of winter, but life had its own plan for us. My mom passed away suddenly, and so while we were reeling from the unexpected loss, we knew that she'd want us making the most of it and spending time together as a family. So we went home to Barbados.
Here we are, Barbados, West Indies, Bridgetown at the Careenage, getting ready to go fishing. The fish were biting pretty heavily yesterday, and this morning it is currently noon, and we're hoping to have as good, if not better luck than our fisher friends yesterday.
How many fish you catch yesterday, bro?
We got 8 kingfish,
What?
3 barracudas, and 3 jacks.
Whoa.
For a total of how many pounds?
Well, estimated to be 160 pounds.
No.
We sold only 130. And I gave away with my kind soul. I gave 30 pounds of kingfish to my lovely family.
Yeah, we had
Yeah.
ceviche last night. We had grilled kingfish and we had sashimi.
And we have cutters for lunch today, so we've made some fish sandwiches, which will feed our entire crew today. It is proper.
Ooh, that sounds so good.
Here's the captain. James's father-in-law, Graham.
Over, I'm going to slack it and try to tease the fish back up to the lure.
Right.
Alright, so just, stand like that. Cool.
Don't touch any zips.
We got outriggers, so just watch me when I set up.
Okay.
And when you guys feel comfortable, you'll start helping me and start resetting lines and stuff like that. Cool?
So, how many fish we got?
I got 6 kingfish, 4 nets for the cribs, and
You rolled it up. Alright. I got 8 yesterday evening. They got out here and try my luck.
alright, volume and good luck.
What you doing there, Talia?
Just waiting for the right angle to let out the bait, rod.
Drag on it, just not right, because it all depends how fast you line up your line. But this one's going to be easy because you're going to be able to see it.
Is that far enough?
Might be like about
I'll get it. You go for it.
Now watch some.
No, and you got a lot of guys. This is all good traction on the bar for this. A small like 3-pound bar for here. But 6 cocktails, we got 10.
Good, you want me to take over?
I gotta show them I can do it. Not even a bite.
Got fish on! All over!
That is a monster. Holy shit. That's still on. Watch it for the show. Yeah. Oh, yeah, B. That thing is good. That ain't close to the fish. Come down here. Ready, man. We want to in here. Yeah. Come be sensible. Clear. Right here.
You got this, Talia. You got it.
Like, real.
Babe, how do I go neutral?
Anytime you let go of this, put your thumb on it, please.
Sorry, that's my fault.
Well done. Woo! Well done.
Look at that beautiful color.
Well done. We'll set your line past that and then. This day is a guaranteed kingfish. Guaranteed.
You feel good about it?
No, I feel excellent about it. One day then. Oh, there's another fucking thing. You got anywhere yet? Yeah, we on your way yet. Alright, good. Come on, ready, come up there, reel it. Yeah. Go back, that's all right. Oh, God, you already get to the big one, so you know. Go down. Stop. Oh, yeah, get up on the wire, ass! One! Like that. Woo! Let it go, let it go! Let it go again! They sound! Oh, yeah! That is Kingfish!
How you feeling, babe?
Oh, I love your asshole! I can pony your ass!
That's not 100 pounds. You feel that one's bigger than the last?
Oh, you mean?
I think the last one's bigger.
Nah, boy. You don't feel so?
Wow.
Put them on the outside of the mouth. Yeah, they're coming in.
You want to get, oh yeah.
God, yeah, man! Oh, yeah, mate! Oh, yeah! Alright, yeah, let me set your legs back. Let me go again.
That's what I want. I'm going to have a beer.
Butter ball at a size 12 shoe. Oh, man.
Fish on!
Oh, there she is.
You got this. Keep going. You're almost there. Nice size. Nice size.
Alright, you need neutral? Put your thumb on it.
Yeah. Good job, Emma. How do you feel?
Oh my god. It's so tough.
Open up that kill box.
Yeah.
So we're a little late on documenting this, but we put some of the kingfish that we caught into this little
Smoking.
smoker.
I think I'm gonna add a bit of water to this because it's embering.
Got hickory and mesquite chips. And in the smoker, we've got some mackerel and lots of kingfish. Look at those belly pieces. They're looking so good. And it's also New Year's Eve.
It is New Year's Eve.
Old Year's Night, as we call it here in Barbados.
Old Year's Night, and we are heading down to the beach. We're gonna have a beach lime and some breadfruit. And what else? Some
What's
lamb
breadfruit?
And breadfruit, the staple food of Barbados and many West Indies islands. Looks like some sort of melon, grows on a tree, and has the consistency of a potato, or what else could we equate it to?
Got a trunk full of them.
Yeah. The great thing, because it has a
We're
very
ready.
thick rind.
Boogie board.
Because it has a very thick rind, you throw it right in the fire and it cooks up in about an hour. So just gotta make sure not to get any of the sap on your hands because it's very sticky.
The milk.
The milk, breadfruit milk.
This is our house in Barbados. By our house, I mean my family home, my dad's house. It's a beautiful, calm evening. No waves to be surfed, unfortunately, so it is what it is. It's New Year's Eve, so let's get to the beach.
Go stand with your friends.
I love you.
I love you too.
Happy New Year in like 3 hours.
Happy New Year.